Hi guys, welcome back to Bit One Great. So right now you're looking at an image generated by AI, and I generate this AI image using OpenAI API service. Okay. So I using this API service, I requested OpenAI to generate an image of airplane with the money. Okay, and uh, the AI machine generate this image. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so okay, so let's get into the real thing. Okay, so to do that, uh, okay, by the way, this is the official uh, OpenAI website. Okay. So if you go to openai.com, you can register and open your account. Okay. So click API here, then you can sign off for service. Okay. And of course, this is free for now. And what you need to do is, okay, so once you go to enter your account, okay, here, so click the personal here, okay, the upper right corner, okay, here, okay, and you can generate and then click the view API keys, okay, then you're gonna arrive at this website, okay, web page, okay, and click here, create new secret key, and you need this secret key to use the API service from OpenAI. Okay, so once you have the secret key, you're ready to go. Okay. Okay, so all you need to do is write this few lines. Okay, so first, in addition to API key, you also need to install OpenAI library. Okay, and you can do so by using this command in command prompt. Okay, pip install OpenAI. Okay, so and once you're ready with this library, you're good to go. Okay, so here OpenAI API underbar key is equal to you need to input the API key generated from your OpenAI account. Okay, so you input your key here. Okay, then you execute this line. Okay, response equal to OpenAI dot image dot create, and here prompt. So I'm instructing the AI to create a picture using this text. Okay, airplane with money. Okay, and the size is 512 times 512 pixels. Okay, this is the size of the image. Okay, and this will give you some response. Okay, and actually you need the URL. Okay, and by going to this URL, you can check the AI generated image. Okay, so let's execute these lines. Okay. 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 So okay. So I'm going to print this image under the URL. this will give you URL of the newly generated image. Okay, so let's go to this URL. Okay, so I input the URL, and this is the new AI generated image. Okay, so this is quite cool, right? So you can test other image too. Okay, uh, so okay, let's try. Okay, this time how about well, with airplane with Bitcoin. Okay, I'm gonna execute this. Okay, and we need to check the URL. Okay, so I'm gonna go to this URL. Okay, so click here. Okay, now we have airplane and Bitcoin. Okay, so and you can customize it by changing this text. Okay, okay, so I just covered how to generate uh, AI image, okay, using API service from OpenAI and the Python language. Okay, so I hope that you find this to be interesting. Okay, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, and I will come back with more interesting and useful videos. Okay, thank you for watching.